So today we will tell about the two type of personalities which exist in men as well as women. So there are only two types of personalities which are alpha and beta. The other personalities which you listen sigma, omega and XYZ that are not real, and we have to clear that in mind that there are only two personalities, that is alpha and that is beta. So whenever we talk about any majority or anything universal, we talk about men and women both, that is for all humankind I am talking about. And when all the humankind we talk about the majority, we refer mostly to the male. So because male is the one, the starter, and male, and from male and then comes female. So this is like this category. So the first of all, alpha male. What is an alpha male? Alpha male is dominant. Alpha male is a very cool personality. Alpha male is what people call today red pill, and alpha male is all the qualities that a female want. Alpha male has. Alpha male has everything, is super appealing. Alpha male is means all over complete person, which every woman and every person and everyone likes, and is super attractive in confidence, in talking, in their performance of life, in their everything. Alpha is great, but there is a limitation to alpha male, and that limitation is that alpha male is super aggressive, and alpha male is super focusing on the goals. Always he wants the leadership. Alpha male wants approval, and he feels goodness in that, he feels happy in that, and he has just merged his personality in that criteria, that I am an alpha male and I have these criteria, and he's very fixed and rigid in that. So he does not feel the female nature, and in relationships he just use the female, and after some time he throws her away. This is the main, this is very red pill, this is hard pill to swallow, and this is reality, that females are like that to him. He respects female, likes female, appreciates female. He is not a dumb man, he is very super intelligent, he is genius, but this is his reality and we cannot change the reality. He looks after one another, like females are like survival of the fittest. Female have to survive and fit for them every time, and this is not true. Female has many flaws, females has many phases of life. Also there are also many categories of females. So alpha does not understand it. Alpha has only the very positive outlook of life. Alpha is not understanding of the depths of nature of anyone. He wants the to achieve his goals, and alpha is then not not understanding in many ways. Okay, so second is beta. Beta, I personally don't like. Beta males are like always trying to make you happy, and they want you to laugh or smile all the time. And they are like always following you, and they are, and that's not natural, and that's not, we don't feel it. That's, we don't feel it. If someone follows you, if someone says you I love you, if someone says you anything which is very high in words, but if the other person is not feeling it, then this is not to you, then this is useless. So beta males are like this. They are always, and they are negative in some traits. Alpha is not negative. Alpha pursues his goals in a very positive way. Alpha is clear. Beta is not clear. Problem with beta male is that he is not clear. He is negative. Alpha does something wrong. He tells it that I have done this, I am doing it. He is not hiding. But beta is negative, not clear, little bit has a sad energy, and he is not accepting other people and himself also. So this is the trait of beta. So these are the two categories. Majority there are beta, alpha. Majority beta in today's world. Beta are here, but alphas are also there. So this is only two categories. Other categories, if someone says you sigma, omega, this all is fake. There is no other category. So there are two categories. Now there is a third category which is known as the unknown X factor. What is X? X we always have to solve, and we have to find out what's the value of X. X we always have to find it out. X is unknown. So this is X. X is infinite. Means this is alpha is red pill, beta is blue pill, and then there is another pill, what we call it, the infinite pill. Infinite pill. This is a difficult. This is a 4D dimension. This is the people, the guys, the female. There are also alpha females, beta females as well. Likewise, I am talking to both genders. And then there is an infinite factor. Infinite, then the people, like I you can say the beta is of 2D dimension, alpha is 3D dimension, which looks the world as it is and is very worldly, and does what suits for him, what favors him. Beta is unclear, 2D, and in his mind. And now there is a 4D dimension. 4D dimension, is made up of hypercubes. And hypercube has, if we see, has different shapes. Hypercube, sometimes it looks different, sometimes it looks different, sometimes it looks completely different, sometimes image is changing rapidly. Well, this is a difficult dimension, 4D dimension. So this is infinite dimension, and there are rare few people in this world which have reached to that level. And these people are understanding. These people understand the depths and core of nature. They understand the basic definition of love. Alpha is caring. Alpha likes you. Alpha can develop attraction but can never develop love. Beta can forever develop, cannot do anything. And this, and yes, there is a fourth category also, which is called black pill. Black refers to, what is black? Black means nothing. See a black hole. See, whenever we refer the term black, that means nothing. Nothing. Black is nothing. And these people who are in the black pill category are extremely black by heart. They are sinners, and they have accepted it. They don't want to change that. They are like, many people know that they are in that negative and dark side. They are not good. They just transform themselves from human to a different creatures, animal creatures. Black is extremely, we should avoid and recognize it. Just discard them at once. Beta can change into alpha if he wants to, and if he wants to. and alpha. Now the alpha category can go into the fourth dimension, and if he realizes, and if alpha shatters his ego and all things, his pride and everything, which is a very difficult task for alpha. Alpha is mainly monitoring on the reputation of himself. So alpha, when shatters his ego, his pride, his goals, and goes towards the different level, so he can lose much things, and that can just shatter his identity too. He can go into identity crisis, existential crisis, he can just break it up. But I know that alpha is very intelligent. He will not break. He will not break. He will, sometime he will feel pain, but he can go into the 4D dimension, and that is infinity. Infinity dimension is very, very too much great. It's specific, and many people who reach there, they feel love, they understand love and everything. The main goal of life is not these is love, basically love, love. So this, he will understand, he can feel it, and then life is different. So we all should go into that and feel that dimension.